Yes. Am I audible to all? Please respond. Yes. Am I audible to all? Please respond. Am I audible to all? Please respond. Okay. Good evening, all. A very good evening. Yes. Good evening, all. My name is Ashutosh Bal. Right. Today we have a session of English, and that too, grammar session on articles. Right. Yes, today we have an important session on articles. Yes. So we all know what articles are in English. An article is a solo syllabic word that is used to articulate whether the noun is definite or general, right? So articles are basically used in front of nouns, right? To define if whether the article is general or definite. I'll define it. What is a general article and what is a definite article? We'll differentiate what is a general article and what is a definite article, right? But first, let us understand where exactly articles are used, right? An article, the introduction is simple, is a solo syllabic word that is used to articulate the noun, whether it is general or definite, right? So the only task of the article is to define whether the noun is a definite article or a general noun. Now, let's understand what is a definite and what is a general article. Now, in English, we have three articles. Yes, everyone. In English, we have three articles, right? First, a, and, the. Right? In English, we have three articles, a and the. Right? Now, out of which a and these two are general articles, and the is called as the definite article. Right? Yes, very good. Now, out of the three, and these two are general articles. The is the definite article. Now, what is the difference between a general article and a definite article? Right? The difference between a general article and a definite article is that the definite article is already defined. Right? That is the only difference between a general article and a definite article. A definite article has to be defined, right? Let's take an example over here. If you look forward to this example, apples are there at home, right? The apples are rotten, right? Now, if you look forward to this, if we have to place the in front of the apples, it has to be defined. Now, here it is defined apples, right? Apples are there at home. The apples are rotten, right? So it is specifying the apples which is there at home. Getting my point? So the only rule of a definite article, it has to be defined. It has to be introduced, right? Unless and until the noun is introduced in the line, we cannot say it is defined, right? For example, here the apples is introduced, so we can say the apples, right? It is specifying the apples which is there at home, right? So the rule is simple for a definite article. In order to be a definite article in the sentence, it is to be defined first. It has to be introduced first, right? Now, In English, there are some nouns which require general articles, which require definite articles, right? Now, write down rule number two. Everyone, write down rule number two. General articles, right? Where to use a and where to use an. So a lot of students get confused on this, that where to use a and where to use an, right? So it is very difficult for anyone to actually put this into picture, where exactly we should use a and where exactly we should use an, right? So now, there is one simple rule to identify where to use a and where to use an. The rule is very simple. Vowels, right? We have how many vowels? We have five vowels, right? What are those? A, E, I, O, U, right? Now, here's the catch. A lot of students, what they do, they put an in front of the words which carry the vowels, but that is wrong, right? The rule is very simple. We can only use an in front of a noun if the pronunciation of the noun starts with any vowels, right? Not the spelling, right? So if the pronunciation starts with any of the vowels, we can use an. Otherwise, irrespective of the spelling. That is the simple rule to know, right? It does not matter what the spelling of the word is. If the pronunciation of the word starts with any of the vowels that we have, then we place an, right? Then we place an, right? I'll give you an example on this. MBA degree. Then we have master's degree. Right? So we always say an MBA degree or master's degree, right? Now here's the thing, both start with M. So why an? Because the pronunciation starts with A, right? So it starts with A, MBA, right? That's why it's always an MBA degree, right? But in masters, it starts with more, right? So it is a master's degree. So the rule is very simple, right? If the pronunciation starts with any of the vowels, we use an, otherwise we use a, right? Now, we know where to use the, where to use an, and where to use a, right? Now, there are some nouns where we do not use any articles, right? For example, this we have, if you can see the third example over here, happiness, right? It is an abstract noun, right? So we do not use any articles. It is not required. So, and would be wrong. The would be wrong or also be wrong, right? So it does not require any articles. So we leave it blank. Happiness is our own decisions, right? Similarly, here itself, oranges are good source of vitamin C. It is substantial. We do not require any articles here as well, right? So there are some nouns where we do not use any articles, right? Now, let's have a small interactive session on articles, right? Now, can you answer these easy questions? Send me the answers in the chat box. I have three questions over here. Can you solve the first question? I'm expecting correct answers. Today I can see all the chats. right? Yes. Can you answer the first question? Yes, everyone. Yes. Chalo. I'll answer this question. Alexander Pope said that an honest man is, we are specifying that particular man, the noblest work of God, right? So if you can see this, Alexander Pope said that an honest man, and that man we are specifying with the novelist work of God, right? So answer is D, right? The answer is D. Now, if we put an over here or over here, it becomes a general noun, right? General noun. So it is not specifying the honest man. That's why it has to be the second one. The student published, yes, second question, everyone. Can you send me the answer of this? The student published dash articles in dash noted journals. क्या होगा? Yes, very good. A lot of correct answers are coming. Superb. Right. The student published an article in a noted journal. Right. It is not specifying which journal. Right. So it is any journal. So it is a general journal. Right. So it is not specifying which journal or any established journal. Right. So answer is C. Very good. A lot of correct answers are coming. Very good. Super. Next, we have question number 3. Who can answer this? Everyone, question number 3. Mother Teresa was dash European, but she devoted her life to social work as dash Indian. Yes. Third question, everyone, try. Easy one. Yes, everyone, try. Yes. Now, yes, very good. A lot of correct answers, right? So the answer would be now. Everybody look forward. The pronunciation of Europe starts with yo. Why yo? European, not European. European is wrong. Europe. They always say Europe, right? Why yo wala? Europe. So the pronunciation is Europe. So it is a European, right? But she's devoted her life to social work as क्या होगा? An Indian, right? A European, but as an Indian, right? So the correct answer would be B for Bombay, right? Yes, super, super. Very good, everyone. Good, correct answers. Everyone is sending. Yes, super. Now, next set of questions. Everyone, very good. All of you are sending good, correct answers. Yes, try. Question number 4. Yes. Question number 4, everyone. Yes, let's see. No. Yes, very good. In front of musical instruments, we use definite articles because musical instruments are already defined. So the guitar, drums, right? So answer is A. Very good, superb. Everyone has said correctly. Next, we have question number 5. Yes, everyone. Fifth option. Fifth question, everyone try. Easy one. Yes, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good. Tough question. Right. Everyone said it sounded like the Greek and Latin. It does not require any article, right? So 5 is D. Greek and Latin to me. Right. Yes, very good. Superb. No article is needed. Very good. Tough question, but good. Now, can you, we have a different kind of question over here in 6, right? The people should learn to help each other in times of need, right? You have to correct the underlying word, that is the. So you have three options with you, or and the article not required, right? What should be the answer of this? Yes, very good, right? So 6 is actually not required, right? So people are social animal, right? People are social animals. So any general ways does not require any specific articles, right? So that is wrong. No article. People should learn to help each other in the times of need. Very good. Super. Tough one, but everyone said the correct answer. Next, we have question number 7. My favorite dress has an unique pattern. क्या होगा आंसर? Yes, everyone try. Number 7. Yes, the pronunciation of unique starts with U, right? So a unique, right? A unique pattern, right? So it starts with U, Y. So a unique pattern. Very good. Tough questions are there, but you guys are doing fantastic. Super. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes. Again, level 2, right? This is level 2, everyone. Yes, this is level 2. Can you answer this? Yes. So in front of trains, we always use the, right? The Janta Express, the Rajdhani Express, right? The Coromandel Express, right? It's always the. Number 9, easy one. Number nine, everyone. Yes, number nine, everyone. Send answers. Easy question. Yes, again, the pronunciation of union starts with Y, union, right? So it is a quiz, a union. A domestic servants was formed in Delhi, right? Yes, correct answer, everyone. Good. Next, we have she plays the chess extremely well. What can be the answer of this? Yes, everyone. Very good. Very good. Right. Sporting events, all kind of sports like cricket, right? Hockey, they never proceed with any articles, right? So they are substantial in terms of their definition. So she plays cricket, chess, hockey extremely well. So article not required, right? Article not required. Yes, correct answer. Super. बहुत बढ़िया. Right? Everyone is having very correct answers. Superb. Extremely well. Next we have yes. So next we have paragraph. Right. Next we have a paragraph and six questions. Right. We have to read the paragraph first. Then we have to solve the six questions. Right. Now here's the catch. We have to be correct. If we get six correct answers, we'll get 30 marks. Right. Otherwise, we'll get 4 marks each correct answers, not five. If we get all six correct, then 30 marks. Otherwise, 4 marks for each correct answer. Try everyone. You have to write down like 11A, 12B, 13C, 14D, right in a sequence and send it to me in the chat box. Yes, try. Take 4 5 minutes, no issues, but I'm expecting correct answers. Yes, everyone, send me at once. Send me at once 11A, 12B, 13C, 14D, 15D ऐसे करके एक साथ भेजो. Send me all at once. Okay, everyone try. Last 2 minutes. But I want everyone to send me answers. So let's start. First would be the highest in front of 1 second. How? So in front of superlatives, we use the highest mountain peak in the world is the Himalayas. Now, this one requires no article because in front of single mountain peak, we do not require any article. It is just Everest or Mount Everest, right? So that would be wrong to put any the over there. Next, we have succeeded in reaching क्या होगा 14 everyone 14 is the 15 15 is the in front of nationalities we put the right the British the European then we have number 16 established an office in the 1800 to survey the mountain and measure it. 19 would be the man, we are talking about a specific man who had, number 20 would be who had the idea to start the office was George Everest. After much work, the task was completed in 1952, 1852. So this requires no article. 23 is no article. 24 would be the height finally calculated 8,840 meters. To be precise, 8,882 meters. 25 would be 25 would be the The summit was named after Everest in 1863. So, yes, to reach the summit in Mount Everest, right? Yes. Now, this is the precise answer, everyone. Please cross check. This is the precise answer for this. Please cross check. Yes, mostly everything is the correct, correct. Yes, so yes. Any doubt you ask? So how many scored perfect 30? Please share how many scored perfect 30. Yes, how many scored perfect 30? All six correct. Yes, anyone all six correct? Chalo. We'll move to the next set of questions, everyone. We'll move to the next set of questions. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, very good. 13 doubt. What is the doubt? 13? Yes, super. 30 out of 30. Yes, 28. Very good. What is the doubt in 13, everyone? One second. 13, right? Yes, in front of single mountain peak, right? We do not use any articles, right? It is always Everest. It is not the Everest. It is always Everest, right? Everest, because it is a single mountain peak. If we have group of mountains, right, like the Andes, there you use the Andes, right? But in front of one peak, it is always Everest, Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest, right? Yes. So let's solve the next question. Yes, question number 26. Everyone try. Yes, 26. Everyone try. Yes, the correct answer is Kamal is always in a hurry, right? Yes, he's in a hurry, right? We always use over here. He's always in a hurry, right? To go home. He's always in a hurry. Several books and clothes collected from school were donated to Dash Orphanage. क्या होगा? Yes, everyone. क्या होगा? Several books. Question number 27. Several books and clothes were collected from school were donated to Dash Orphanage. It is not specifying which orphanage, right? Donated to an orphanage, right? Orphanage. It is not specifying any particular orphanage, or it is not specifying any defined orphanage. So it is generally donated to any orphanage, right? Several books and clothes collected from the school were donated to an orphanage, right? So answer is and. Yes, very good, everyone. Correct answer. Next, we have many students are pursuing dash career in humanities these days. क्या होगा answer? Question number 28, everyone. Yes, everyone, try to answer this. 28. Many students are pursuing a career. This always. He's trying to pursue a career in engineering. He's trying to pursue a career in humanities. He's trying to pursue a career in science. It's always a career in humanities these days, right? It's always right. It is always and he's trying to pursue a career in medicine. He's trying to pursue a career in law. So always right. That's how it is. Yes, very good. Next, we have, yes, some easy questions. Question number 29. Yes, everyone, try. Question number 29, everyone, try. Send me answers. The culprits were all granted dash immunity from punishment. What can be the answer of this? Yes, 29 is D. The culprits were all granted immunity. It does not require any article. Yes. Question number 30. Tell me the answer. 29 is D. Yes, correct. Superb. 30 would be, yes, in front of metals, we do not require any article. So gold is an expensive metal, right? And no article here. So option B. B for Bombay. Yes, correct. Superb. Superb, all of you. Yes, correct answer. Yes, correct, correct. Right. Very good. Everyone is doing superb today. Right. Very good. Now, in today's session, do you have any doubts? In today's session, do you have any doubts? Please share your doubts. In today's class, do you have any doubt? Pursuing means to study or follow or to take admission in. Right? He's pursuing medicine, matlab is practicing to become a doctor. Yes. Do you have any other doubts you can ask? I'll share a few words with you guys. I have a few more questions. We still have 15 minutes with us. So let's share some more questions with you. I'll share a few questions with you. Don't worry. Just give me 1 second. Can you say this? Yes, everyone. Yes. Can you see this question? Can you? Yes, everyone. Can you see this question? Easy question. Can you solve this? Super easy question. Yes. Can all of you see the question? I've just shared the question there on the screen. Can you see all of you can see this? Yes, the pronunciation unique is Y, right? Unique is the pronunciation starts with Y. That's why a unique pattern, not an unique pattern, right? It is a unique pattern because the pronunciation starts with Y, U, right? So that's why a unique. Yes, everyone, send me all the answers at once. Send me all the answers at once. Let's see. If you get all correct, 10 questions are there. No, in English, U is pronounced as YOU, right? Not just U. In modern English, we write as U, but in classical English, U is always pronounced as YOU. So it is a unique always. Yes, it is always a unique because classical English, they have written U as YOU, not just U. Okay? Is there any other doubt? Try to solve the last question. Yes, everyone, try to solve the last question. Yes, everyone, send me answers. Yes, everyone, send me answers. Try. Right. Yes. Yes, very good, Grupali. Correct. I'll tell you the answers. Yes, but everyone send me answers. I want everyone to send me answers. Yes. Chalo, let's start the discussion. One day, a tortoise, it's, oh, 1 second. Yes. Asked a rabbit to run a race with him. Now, it is already defined the rabbit, so it becomes the. The rabbit laughed and called the tortoise because rabbit and tortoise both were introduced in the first line itself. A fool to challenge an excellent runner like him, but he agreed soon after the race started. The rabbit was far ahead, so he thought of an idea. He decided to take a nap under a tree. Seeing this, the tortoise made an extra. There's no article over here. Effort and reached the end point where the rabbit woke up. It was too late. Right when the rabbit woke up, it was too late. This is the correct answer. Everyone, please check your answers. Yes, everyone, please check your answers. Yes, tell me how many of you scored perfect 10? Yes, tell me how many of you scored the perfect 10? Yes, very good. There were more students, but yes, because of technical issues, some left. But yes, more than 18 students were there. Yes. Yes, very good. Superb. Yes, very good. Perfect 10. Yes. I have some final tough questions for you. Yes. Last set of questions. Some tough ones are here, but I'm hopeful you'll be able to answer them. Yes, tell me. Yes, no issues. Yes, Jeevan. No issues, Jeevan. Yes. Now, 31, everyone, try to answer this question. Yes, very good. 31 is, that was a useful advice. Very good, superb. Right, very good. So all of us are getting correct answers now. Yes, very good. 31 is, oh, yes, very good. Now we're getting all correct answers. Superb. 32, everyone, try. They visited. Yes, very good. Superb. Now, it is already defined the Victoria Memorial during their Kolkata trip. All of you, correct answer. Superb. Right? The Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial. Next, we have 33. Yes, try everyone. 33 is. Yes. Yes, it is the Dal Lake freezes in the winter times. Yes, all of you correct answers. Yes. Okay, no issues, Jeevan. Yes. Yes. Now, next question. Yes, last two questions, everyone. Before we wrap up today's class, try. Yes, very good. Correct answer. The man who was looking at you, yes, at the party is actually a nice man. We met a soldier at the railway station. The soldier was going to China border. Right? Correct answer. Yes. Yes. One correction in the last question. Yes. Answer is C. This one becomes C again. Yes. One minor correction. Yes. Yes. I forgot. What was the answer? Did I say about 31? What was the answer? Did I say about 33? What was the answer? Did I say about 33? Yes. 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 The correct answer is no article. Yes. In front of lakes, right? Proper nouns, we do not use any article. So the lake is itself is correct. Right? So answer is D. I got confused. Yes. The answer is correctly D. D is correct. Right? Yes. But it is always the Ganga. Right? It is always the Ganga, the Yamuna. Right? It is always like such. But in front of lakes, we do not use any articles. Right? All clear? Any doubts in today's class? Anyone? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes. If any doubts, you can ask. Yes, it is always the Ganga, the Yamuna. Right? But lakes के सामने द नहीं लगता. Yes. Yes. All clear about articles today? If you have any doubts, this is the time. Okay, super. Right. So I'm wrapping up today's class. Chalo. It was a good class, everyone. Thank you all. Yes. Yes. Thank you all. Good night. Yes. Good night, all. Thank you.